So, welcome to another video. It's time to take my Tesla Model 3 Performance, my ultimate family car, for a ride here in the Sauerland in Germany to do a bit of shopping. Let's try out the sport suspension together and have a look with me how beautiful the scenery is here. And join me for a nice POV drive in this 2025 Tesla Model 3 Performance with my son. Sehr schön, los geht's! So, and since my son is in the back, I'll put it in the standard acceleration mode. Not in insane, that's a bit too much for my 2-year-old. And we're going to do the sport suspension, because I love how these German roads are. Let's go! So no FSD here in Germany yet. In the Netherlands I have it. I purchased it on this car. It's still possible. The deadline is, I believe, 21 May here in Europe. But I mean, for such roads, I really do not want to have any FSD. I just want to drive it myself. And I love to put it in this, I love to put the dynamic suspension in the sports mode. Because then I have the feeling that I can feel the road even better. I can take curves even more sporty. And yeah, it just makes me feel very happy. Puts a smile on my face. Let me know whether you drive a Tesla Model 3 Performance or a Tesla Model Y Performance constantly in sports mode, or is the suspension too rough for you? I change it from time to time when I get to roads where the asphalt is a bit bad. I like to just use the toggle wheel here, it's very easy. But yeah, I just love driving this car in this sports mode. I wish it had the air suspension that the Model S and the Model X had, because sometimes the clearance of the car is so low, and especially with high speed bumps. But luckily here there are not too many speed bumps, and we can really enjoy this driving. Sehr, sehr schön. Look how beautiful the countryside is here. Very, very beautiful. In the summer it is nice and green, and in the winter with snow, very beautiful here in Germany. I really love it here. And the thing is that funny, my son is in the back, he's almost 2 years old, and the only times he is ever thrown up is when I have been driving on the comfort suspension. And every time I drive into sport, he has not thrown up. I don't know whether that makes sense. Let me know if you have a car like this and you have a kid in the back. I still have a bit of a cold, so I hope the sound is okay. And especially in these curves, I feel the road. I have really nice feedback when I take these curves. And if I drive into, it's not like if I drive into the standard suspension, the comfort one, it's not like that I'm not enjoying it. But I don't know, maybe it's primarily in my head, but I do think that if I put it into sport, yeah, I have the feeling the car is just a little bit more aggressive, and it feels a bit more like a sports car. Yeah, and if you're a middle-aged man like me, then that's really, really nice. And so that's why I keep it as much as I can in this sport mode. And I think also my son in the back approves, and when my wife is driving along, I don't think she notices any difference. Sehr schön. Let's enjoy these roads together. I mean, if I would have 2 children, I would still be totally comfortable with this car, because there's so much space in this car. And it's spacious also in the back. And I definitely don't need, per se, a Model Y to accommodate for my space requirements. It's really not necessary. So the Model 3 Performance has everything that I need. And yeah, also when I drive it myself, with my family, or especially when I do a small trip by myself, I love the insane speed and handling that this car has. These engineers from Tesla, they've done so well. You really feel like you're driving a sports car, and if you want, it can be a nice, calm, comfortable vehicle. But if you're in a mood, you can just take curves like a maniac. It has fantastic staggered wheel and tire setup. I feel so secure in every curve, and especially also in the winter with this all-wheel drive and how it handles and how stable it is on the road. Fantastic car. And I feel really safe and secure having my family also in here. It's so much fun. My son loves it, and my wife loves it too. And yeah, you know, this sporty looking sedan in the ultra red color, it's completely timeless, so I'm really planning to hold on to this car very long. The design just doesn't get boring, and you know, how my family grows, how I'll grow in size, how we'll all grow in size and in luggage, knowing that there's plenty of space in this Model 3 Performance, yeah, it gives us peace of mind and sexiness, this sleekness, this driving experience. And just get the Model 3 Performance. If you have any questions how it is to have it as a family, or specifically where you're from, just let me know. Also with the range, I'm very happy with this car. On the summer tires, and I drive between 100 and 120 kilometers per hour usually. In Germany a bit faster, but on 100% charge I get about 480 kilometers, and I usually charge it to 80, which results in almost 400 kilometers. And in the winter, because I dropped down from the 20-inch staggered OEM wheel and tire setup to 19-inch staggered wheel and tire setup, I haven't noticed any significant drop in range. That's the only thing with this Model 3 Performance. You need to be really careful with speed bumps and also with potholes, especially if you have these 20-inch OEM tires. That's my biggest fear. Yeah, so maybe going for a bit beefier tire, or a bit beefier sidewall, or smaller setup, yeah, that would really protect you against nasty cases. So, Neue Mitte Winterberg. If you're from the Netherlands, you know where we are. We're close to DM. We're going to pick up a mega order of diapers and some nice things for my toddler. And I'll probably do a bit of shopping myself also. How to recognize other car lovers? That's very simple. That's by looking at parking places far away from other people, like right over here. That's where we're going to park ourselves now. Sehr, sehr schön. So, look at all the nice things we got from DM. So much cheaper than in the Netherlands. And look at how beautiful this car is in the sun. I have soft 99 Kiwami wax on there, very beautiful. We have so much space left. I haven't even put underneath there, or I haven't even put in the frunk. So let's go buy a bit more. Sehr schön. So let's switch back into standard mode. Let's do a little bit sports mode. It's insane. We're both men, we can handle it. I'll be careful, of course. Look how beautiful this countryside is. You really do not want any Tesla FSD here. You just want to drive yourself. Super, super nice. And this is such a beautiful area of Germany. It has forests. You can walk, you can cycle. You can do rodeling, bobsleighing. You can do abseilen. There's so much to do here. I really encourage you that if you have a family, that you come once to the Sauerland in Germany. I mean, there's this huge bike park here for mountain biking, and here in Winterberg. It's super cool for kids. And I mean, for all ages there's something to do here. It's just absolutely beautiful, this area here. The people are very friendly, the food is fantastic. If you love huge schnitzels, huge cordon bleus, huge braadwursts, and huge ice creams, then Germany in the Sauerland is the place for you. Very, very nice here. For the moment I just pressed the gas pedal a little bit with this insane. It just wants to shoot itself forward like a rocket. Unbelievable. That's so much fun. That really, yeah, this feeling that once you experience that, at first it scares you, and then it just shocks you and all, it impresses you, but once you know how to use it, it feels amazing to have this power available at your disposal. And especially in Germany on the Autobahn, yeah, I don't drive incredibly fast. I drive 130, which is actually the recommended speed. But if you ever need to pass somebody or get out of a difficult situation, then bam, you can use it. And this Tesla Model 3 Performance is a rocket. Very, very nice. It's exactly why I called this car my Red Sputnik. Sehr schön. Absolutely so much fun to drive this car in the curves. It's just feels so nice. You just want to keep on driving this thing and don't stop. Every time I can go and drive in this car, it puts a smile on my face knowing that I'm about to go drive in it. And then when I see it, I get an even bigger smile. And then once I'm taking these curves, I feel so relaxed, and it brings so much adrenaline and dopamine to my head, to my body. And you just forget all your worries, you forget the stress you had during the day. It's very nice. And I really would like you to experience this. So come drive along with me more often. Subscribe to my channel. And feel free to ask me any questions about this car. And I'll be very happy to get back to you and provide you with some useful feedback. So, we're back at the house. I hope you enjoyed this small POV Tesla Model 3 Performance drive. Specifically as a family car that I did for you. Like I said, I've had the car now for exactly 1 year. And when I got it, my son was still 1 year old, a baby. Super happy with this car. So much space for stroller in the back also, and luggages. Every time I manage to fit more luggage in this car, I'm very happy with it. So don't be afraid to buy this car as a family car. And if you are single or a family dad or whatever stage you're in, this car is so much fun to drive. Get the performance model, it's totally worth it. I mean, look at it. He's just an absolute beauty in this color, this Tesla Ultra Red. Very nice with this big staggered wheels. Yeah, and I just always charge it via a very slow wall socket. And that's totally fine because the car stays parked over here in the garage. I charge with 6 amp, 230 volts. So yeah, it does take very long till the car is full. But it's usually perfectly fine for my needs because I don't drive long distance every day. I can also work from home. And then, for example, if you do need to charge up faster, you can always install a wall charger, or you can use infrastructure on the street. There's plenty of fast chargers around also, so there's really nothing to worry about. I hope you'll follow me for more videos like this. Please like my video, please hype my video. It would really help me grow this channel. And I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next video. Auf Wiedersehen.